Under the current presidency of India, the UN Security Council recently held a meeting to discuss the Afghanistan situation amid increasing military offensive by the Taliban as US forces withdraw from the war-torn country. Stressing that the future of Afghanistan cannot be its past, New Delhi at the meeting emphasized that it is time for the Council to decide on actions to ensure the immediate cessation of violence in the country. We take a look.
In the past few weeks, the war in Afghanistan has taken a destructive phase. The Taliban has been gaining its hold across Afghanistan by resorting to widespread violence. With the Islamic fundamentalist group targeting innocent civilians and government officials, the security situation in the war-torn country is worsening. Hence, the United Nations Security Council under the presidency of India recently held an urgent meeting to discuss and take stock of Afghan crisis. India's permanent representative to the UN, T.S. Tirumurti, urged members in the crucial meeting to call for an end to violence and hostilities and helped reveal to the outside world the dire situation in Afghanistan.
The rapid deterioration of the security situation in Afghanistan constitutes a serious threat to regional peace and stability. It is therefore time for the international community, and in particular this Council, to take stock of the situation and decide on actions that would help bring a permanent and comprehensive ceasefire and ensure an immediate cessation of violence. Anything short of this will constitute a serious threat to regional peace and security.
The Security Council on Afghanistan last met in June, but the situation in the conflict-ridden country has rapidly worsened since then. The peace talks that had started between the Taliban and the Afghan government last year in Doha have not made significant progress. On one hand, the situation is so tense in Afghanistan, and on the other hand, Pakistan-backed terrorists in the country are engaging in carrying out the proxy war. Recently, Pakistani parliamentarian Mohsin Dawar himself nailed the role of his nation in exporting Taliban terrorists to Afghanistan. In fact, Islamabad's assistance to the Afghan Taliban was one of the causes for the US failure in Afghanistan, as it managed to play a double game with the US and Taliban. Therefore, in the UN Security Council meeting, Ambassador and Permanent Representative of Afghanistan to the UN Ghulam Isaaqzai stated that Pakistan should help Afghanistan in dismantling the Taliban for peace to prosper in the war-torn country.
Consistent with the agreement of the leadership of Afghanistan and Pakistan in Tashkent last month, we urge Pakistan to help with removing and dismantling of Taliban sanctuaries and supply line and establish with us a joint monitoring and verification mechanism to make the fight against terrorism and international effort for peace effective and credible. Let me reiterate here that Afghanistan desires nothing but friendly relation and peaceful coexistence with Pakistan based on mutual respect for each other's sovereignty.
Pakistan's nexus with the Afghan Taliban is not new. Islamabad has been providing military and intelligence aid to the Afghan Taliban and its vicious Haqqani branch in Pakistan for years. This unholy nexus has resulted in the deaths of US soldiers, Afghan security personnel and civilians, plus significant destabilization of Afghanistan. Hence, in a veiled reference to Pakistan, India at the UN Security Council meet demanded accountability from those responsible for emboldening extremists.
For enduring peace in Afghanistan, terrorist safe havens and sanctuaries in the region must be dismantled immediately and terrorist supply chains disrupted. It needs to be ensured that Afghanistan's neighbors and the region are not threatened by terrorism, separatism and extremism. There needs to be zero tolerance for terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. It is equally important to ensure that the territory of Afghanistan is not used by terrorist groups to threaten or attack any other country. Those providing material and financial support to terrorist entities must be held accountable.
The Afghans are exhausted by war and yearn for peace. Hence, there is an urgent need to bring the population relief from relentless violence. With Afghanistan at a dangerous turning point, The United Nations Security Council, under the presidency of India, must seize the current opportunity to prevent the crisis from spilling across national borders.